These are the frames RAZRwire, but it's also compatible for RAZRwire NBT. And I'll show you how to remove and reinstall the lenses. So to remove the lens, you're going to take one hand and hold the nose piece, while taking the other hand and pulling the lens. You're going to pull this corner first. You do the same for the other side. You hold and pull. Now, to reinstall the lenses, you're going to take this side of it and put it in its groove first. And then you're going to have to bend the lens slightly and slide it into its groove. If there's any exposed rims of the lens, you just push it until you hear the click. So again, this side of the lens into this groove, and you bend it slightly so that it fits in its groove.